Alright, so let's ditch that high calorie breakfast and switch to something a little bit lower calorie. Grab yourself 2 eggs, a low calorie bread, 60 calories or less. That's the bread I use. Cut off the sides. You can measure in grams if you like. And then you can have yourself, a cup of coffee. Keep it simple, a little bit of sugar, toast it. And right now you're saving already 200 calories right off of breakfast. And here's me currently in the morning. I've been cutting lately, and so far I'm down about 6 pounds since last month. And something I want to ask you guys is that you have not been liking the video, which unfortunately hurts the channel. If you guys want to support the channel, let's get it to 500 likes, and I could share about 1,000 different meal examples over time. I have a lot of ideas for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all that stuff that can help you out. 80% of your results come from nutrition. Something I like to have is, PBJ for pre-workouts, and that's something that just gives me a lot of energy to have the best workout possible. I also am not sponsored, so if you guys want to also support me, so I could bring more of these ideas, it takes a lot of time to make. You can buy me a cup of coffee, support the channel. A lot of people, won't do it, but if you guys want to help out, I could definitely bring more of these, 3, 4 videos a week probably, if you find them helpful. Only if you find them helpful. And right now I want to share with you my current workout routine. Doing biceps first on some days of the week. Since I do back and biceps twice a week, one day I like to focus just on biceps and just really, really go as hard as possibly can with it. When it comes to biceps, just keep it simple, man. Things that I have worked in the past with a little bit more information that you can find nowadays. Progression, consistency is going to be key. So like if you stick to barbell curls, you get stronger over time. Your arms will blow up. Recently I'm gonna cut. I've been getting a little bit stronger. It will get harder the leaner I get. The less body fat you have, you'll notice that your energy will be low. But so far, since I still got a couple of pounds to lose, my energy is pretty good, and that pre-workout meal definitely helps out. Have something sweet at least once a day. Something low calorie. It's gonna help you mentally. And right here I'm doing concentration curls. I like concentration curls, just the fact that it lets me really supinate the bicep. I don't have very good bicep peaks, which is mostly a genetic thing. But you could definitely work on it little by little by progressing and making the muscle bigger. Another good exercise is, of course, seated down and doing it with a hammer grip to hit that brachialis, and you could also use your other arm for assistance when and get those extra reps to failure. I also like doing some cable work. Cable is a real good way to keep the tension on the bicep. So if you're on a lean bulk and you want to get really, really, strong, try doing the whole rack, man. I try to do that for my triceps. My triceps blew up. So definitely another good exercise you could try. And I just do a little bit of these, and I also do behind the back to stretch that long head. It's a really good exercise. You could put the cable a little bit higher, but for me personally, I like it just the way it is right there. I've been used to it. So it gives me a nice, good stretch on my bicep, and of course, one of the best exercises is the seated, preacher curls. Can't go wrong with this one, and that's my bicep routine. Right now, I'm gonna show you guys my post-workout meal, which is just a protein shake with some strawberries, and after that, I'll show you guys what I have for dinner, and yeah, like the video, guys. Right here, got my protein shake. Got my dad right here chilling. That's my dad. Don't worry, they can't see you. Everybody want to be a bodybuilder, but nobody want to pose in the sun. Huh? Quarter turn to the right. Back, relaxed. Side. Quarter turn, I mean. Let's see a front double bicep. Stop shaking, guys. Side chest.
The wind makes you feel better.
Back double bicep. Oh, ab and thigh. Got a little fat stew.
More, more,
Hmm?
more.
Your favorite classic pose? Whew. So the next meal is like a cheap version of something that I did, years back. Something quick. It's not gonna look the best, but it's like very good in macros. It has, good protein and carbs. Just grab yourself some, chicken breast that you already have, in the fridge ready. You could wait. You could wait if you want. Chop it up in little pieces. Get yourself, some onions, some garlic, some tomato sauce, some cheese, and after that, just use some avocado oil. Whichever oil you prefer. Add some onions, the sauce and the garlic, and just mix it up a little bit. Add the chicken on top, and warm it up. And right there, you could just add some cheese on top. Lay it down, and the cheese tastes really amazing with the chicken. And it's a meal that is very low in calories and high in protein. It's pretty high in fat if you cook your chicken breast with extra virgin olive oil, which I did. But after that, you could actually cook your chicken with water if you want to save on fats. That's also an option, and you're still gonna get a good taste out of it because of the cheese. And my other last two meals, it was just the same thing, plain white rice and chicken, which I'm not gonna show you guys since you guys already saw that. But anyways, guys, hopefully you liked the video. Anyways, talk to you guys next time. Hold on to the channel, comment, and subscribe.